Welcome everybody to another Scratch tutorial. This is part 2 of how to make a platforming script. If you have not watched part 1, go check it out. Now, what we did last time was make this smooth script that allows your player to smoothly go around the screen in the smoothest of possible ways. And I'm smoothly saying smooth a bunch of times, and I don't know what. Okay. Anyways, let's work on wall jumping now, because as of now, our player can't exactly do it. So this can be done over here. So what you want to do is grab an if then else, an if, and an if, like that. Now if the key up arrow is pressed, then grab an equals, duplicate this. You can kind of get rid of that. So if abs of x velocity divided by x velocity equals 1, this means that it's coming up, going right from our left side. Then if key right arrow pressed, then set x velocity to -8 and set y velocity to 8. Now duplicate this, and over here you want to do the key left arrow. Duplicate this and change this x velocity to be 8. Now I believe that you can get rid of this. I'm gonna take it out like that. And at the end over here, we are going to change x by x velocity because we have nothing that says that. Now as you can see, we can wall jump. And it's pretty nice. Oh my, what just happened? It appears that we can sort of do that. So we still want to go through with this statement. So I'm going to duplicate this, take this out, and get that algorithm back. Now I'm going to go and change the if key up arrow to an if then else, like that. And I'm going to put this block in the else. Now, there we go. Now it's not lagging anymore. And you have some nice wall collision. And that is basically how you make a nice platformer script. I have noticed that over here, no matter what, you're setting y velocity to a number, so we could just put this in the like that. Yeah, that still works. Anyways, that's how you make some nice wall collision, like that. Now this simple script is basically all you need for a nice platformer script. Now our platformer is looking good. See, we can wall jump, we can move left and right, and we've got our collisions. So what I want to do is add some coins to make our game a bit more lively. So I'm gonna go and design a coin real quick. Okay. Now I'm gonna go and make an S like that. And maybe, add a couple lines for our S. So, yes, sorry if this process is, kinda boring, but we're gonna get to coding after I get these lines in. Okay, there's our S. Okay. Now, as you can see, all that did was change our sprite to the money icon, which is pretty ironic. So yeah, at the beginning of your script, you want to switch costume to costume 1. So now we have our square back. Now, I want to go and make a script so that, whenever the key space is pressed, I'm gonna go and make another variable, mouse. I'm gonna set mouse to join mouse X, comma, mouse Y. Now, this is nice, but I sort of want it rounded to the nearest fifth. And this can easily done by multiplying a number by 5, go and round a number, and then divide it by 5. Duplicate it. I'm gonna take mouse Y over there, and I'm gonna take mouse X over there. Now, as you can see, it's always towards the nearest fifth. So I want a coin over here. So what we want to do is make a list coin positions. Now that we have this, I'm gonna go and make a block get positions. I'm going to make this run screen without refresh. So I'm going to go and get positions right here. So I'm going to delete all of coin positions. Now I want a coin over here. So let's grab two adds. We want to add minus 145 and we want to add 30. Now if I show coin positions, as you can see, it has our two values, minus 145 and 30. Now I want a coin to go over here. So I'm gonna add something else. I'm gonna add a 155 and 55. Now we have our new coordinates, and make as many coins as you want. I'm just gonna go with 3. So that'll be my final one. Minus 10 and 125. That. Now can take this, get rid of this, get rid of this, and we can delete the mouse variable because we'll no longer use it for coordinates. Now for this, we can hide coin coordinates. Now I'm going to go and repeat length of coin coordinates. I'm going to go and make a new variable, position counter. Okay, now I'm going to set position counter to 1 right above it. Oh, and make sure you actually go to x0 and y minus 25 after we get positions, because we're going to be going to different positions everywhere. Oh, and also the switch costume to costume 1. Now we're also going to switch costume to costume 2 over there. As you can see, everything's still the same, but we want to add coins now. So I'm going to go to X. I'm going to move this a bit aside there. I'm going to go to X, item position counter of coin positions. I'm actually going to move this upwards. Now duplicate it, and instead of position counter, replace it with a +1. You want position counter +1 and put it in. Now that you've got that, go and change position counter by 2. And also we're gonna create clone of myself over here. Now as you can see, you have your coins in the stamped positions. However, we have an extra coin. For some reason. Settings of position. hold on. I'm going to, hold on. If I put this here, okay, then it will delete the first one. So that must mean that the middle coin is the last one. Can still control our square properly. So what's that extra code? Repeat length of coin positions. Just 6. Wait a second. We might want length of coin positions divided by 2. There we go. So the problem was that our position counter was always going up, but as you can see in our coin positions, we were showing the X and the Y values. So since we sort of want the X and Y values in one coordinate, which it doesn't allow because we're not even, whatever. Hopefully you understand what I mean. I can't really figure out a way to describe it. But anyways, as you can see, we have the coins that we want now. However, we can't really get them, which is the next part of this tutorial. So I'm going to make 3 variables, coin, and I'm going to make a variable max coins, and I'm just going to make another variable coins. Now in the forever loop, I'm going to set coins to join there and join over there. Coin, comma, max coins. Wait, hold on, I should change this to a slash. Yeah. Anyways, now as you can see, coins is now 0, 0. I'm going to change this to space slash space. There, now it's a bit more organized like that. But it's only 0 out of 0. So over here, I'm going to go so I'm going to set the max coins to 0 over here, and over here I'm going to change the max coins by 1. Now as you can see, we have 3 coins and it's 0 out of 3. So our max coins is working properly. However, we cannot detect when we're touching a coin, so our coin variable never, oh, what was that? Okay, don't know what that was, but anyways, when I start as a clone forever, now drag an if and then a touching block. However, you can't really detect if you're touching yourself, which is a problem. So what we want to do is do a sneaky little trick. Go to your level and drag a touching block. And now, as you can see, you have the player option. So take this down and get it to the player. And now, as you can see, you have your touching block waiting right for you, and you can delete that. If touching player, then change coin by 1 and delete this clone. And of course, at the beginning, set coin to 0. Now, as you can see, you have coin detection. So whenever you touch a coin, it detects it. Okay, I do not know where that's coming from. When we go over here and then click. That was, yeah, like that. Wait a sec. I'm gonna go and take this and put it over here instead. No, I do not think that is what we want. I'm gonna go and put it back there. I don't know what that is. But anyways, we have some coin detection now, which is really nice. So we can hide our coin and max coin variable, and we have coins, which shows coins. So that's a cool feature, but I sort of want to fix that problem, where it can just warp to the other side of the screen like that. So why did this happen? Click. So click the up arrow and we set my velocity to 8. I'm gonna take our set Y velocity to 8 and like unorganize it again. Hang on. I'm gonna pause our video while I search for the problem. Okay, so guys, I figured out the problem. So so what we want to do is take this out of the repeat until, replace the if then else with an if. Yeah, sorry, we're gonna have to change it back. And get this out of the repeat until, put it there. Now get your change X and put it here. All we wanted for was the change X to go into the repeat until not touching level. Hold on, it's not correct. I tested it last time. I can't get it anymore. Okay, I guess that worked. Okay, strange stuff is going on with our new wall jumping. But I, for some reason, cannot get it anymore. But anyways, it's a really nice and smooth system that you can use to maybe impress your friends. And yeah, this is a nice thing over here. Anyways, that's it for this tutorial. If you liked it, then like. Also, remember subscribing. Consider it and make sure of it. And we want all the support we need to make some more content. Anyways, peace.